Hello and welcome back. Today I was supposed to review the Optima M12 with the A3 carriage, but since I have already introduced you to the whole family in sufficient details, I think this review will be a little different. A little bit from the basement, but before that let's start from the beginning. This is the Optima M12 with the standard A3 A4 carriage with the option for a horizontal page. The first one I reviewed, and the best of the three with the three carriage sizes that I have in absolutely impressive condition for its age without a single missing part, and I even bought it with fully functional ribbons, and it types extremely smoothly and without any problems. A real gem. This is my second M12 with the A3 carriage. Yes, unfortunately the top cover is lost, which is a little bit strange to me considering that this cover is not plastic and brittle like on the M16, Darrow Optima M16 and Darrow 20, and does not come off so easily. Apart from that, it is a little more worn than the one with the standard carriage, but I feel it needs a little more force when pressing the keys. And now, in this photo, the two cherries on top of my collection. Optima M12 and Robotron 20 with carriages for A2 format. To be more specific, just look at their measures together with that of this Triumph Matura with the standard carriage for a vertical page A4 only. Unfortunately, the Robotron does not work, but on a rare chance the Optima works, except that it needs a slight repair of the spacebar, which is almost not working at the moment and is completely covered in oxides and dust that interferes with the buttons for releasing the carriage movement. But other than that, it is completely functional. And yes, the other unique thing, the additional legs at the back to keep it in a balanced position while the carriage is in the start or in the end position. And finally, here in the box is another very rare find, an Optima M10 with an A2 carriage. Unfortunately, it is also in non-working condition. The carriage moves freely to the far left position and none of the keys work due to oxides, but other than that, it is an absolutely unique acquisition for the collection. If it wasn't clear before, it clearly is now. I'm sure most of you have never seen these mythical A2 carriages, but when it comes to the Optima M series, this story is its heart and soul. So many modifications, different colors, different carriages, a story that no one has repeated and for obvious reasons will never be repeated again, but that only makes it more valuable. I hope you enjoyed this quick review. Share your thoughts in the comments and I will see you again next week.